Practice set 14, problem number 1, page 48. For this problem, create the first two lines of an amortization schedule. The steps needed to do this are found on the top of page 47. We have a loan amount of $6,000, interest rate of 12%, and a length of loan or term of 3 years. The first step has us calculate the monthly payment. To do that, we'll go to the loan table. We will look up the interest rate of 12% and where it corresponds with the term, which was 3 years. So we have a monthly payment of $33.21 if this loan was $1,000. Our loan is not $1,000, so to calculate the monthly payment here, we have to multiply that monthly amount from the table, $33.21, times the amount more than this is, and $6,000 for this loan compared to the $1,000 means we're borrowing 6 times as much. So 6 times that value from the table results in a monthly payment of $199.26. The second step is to calculate the interest. Interest is calculated using simple interest formula, principal times rate times time. For this first payment, nothing has been paid on the loan, so the beginning balance is $6,000. That's our principal. We'll times it by the rate as a decimal, so the 12% becomes 0.12, and we'll times it by time, and in the simple interest formula, time is always in terms of a year. 1 month is the length of the payments here, so the time is 1/12. In place of the 1/12 for our time, an equivalent operation would be to, instead of timesing by 1/12, we can divide by 12. The result of that gives us an interest of $60. The third step for filling in our amortization table is to determine the principal portion of our monthly payment, and to do that we will take the monthly payment and we will subtract the interest that we just calculated. The monthly payment goes in 2 directions. One is interest, with the balance or remainder being applied towards the principal to reduce the balance owed. So our monthly payment calculated in the first step minus the interest calculated in the second step results in a difference of $139.26 for our principal. The fourth step then is to calculate our ending balance, and to do that we take the beginning balance minus the principal. In line 1, we owed $6,000. Of our monthly payment, $139.26 was considered principal, which reduces the amount owed, resulting in an ending balance of $5,860.74. That ending balance becomes our new beginning balance on the next line of our statement. To fill in interest and the remaining cells in this second line, we will repeat steps 2 through 4. That monthly payment remains the same over the course of this loan. So to calculate our interest, we'll repeat step 2. It was found by taking principal times rate times time. However, we don't go back to the $6,000. A payment has been made. The amount owed is less. We'll use that beginning value times the interest rate, and in lieu of timesing by 1/12 the time between payments, we'll divide by 12, an equivalent to the 1/12 time. That results in a lesser amount, and that's due to because of the fact we have less owed at the beginning of the second payment versus the first. Next, we'll calculate the portion of the payment that goes towards the principal. We'll return to the payment amount less the interest we just calculated. So we'll take our $199.26 monthly payment minus the interest just found, $58.61, giving us $140.65. And the last step to fill in the final cell, our